All the homies on the flight list. Verbally gifted, take the plot and I twist it. Got it big lit. Sex with the incense, got my mind friends. Won't stop, I'm relentless. I'ma need safety. Tell the op can't snake me. Ray gun, I'm safety. My girl so tasty.
What up, Team Buckhouse? Welcome back to Keystone. And today we got a crew. We got the ski doc, Cody, Nate. It's gonna be a blast. Nate actually showed up to the summer camp that I hosted that I wasn't at. Fun story. Anyways, today we're gonna rip the kind of the talking point I think for today are the Burton Step-ons, because our boy the ski doc just got the pair and the Burton Custom X, I think.
Yep.
You excited about your new setup?
Yeah, I've only done one run, so I don't have a review quite yet, but it's interesting getting in and out and like how responsive they are so far. We'll see.
Totally. First day on this setup, so we'll get Michael's perspective on should you buy the Step-ons, also the board, and overall we're just gonna rip and have a good time. Michael's my filmer, Cody's my friend, Nate's my friend. I guess you're my friend.
Yeah, sometimes.
All right, enough talking. Let's shred.
Burton Custom X. I'm in.
So we're getting a lot of questions about what is going to open at Keystone, and this is going to be the next run. It's really not much. It's just top of school mom right there. I don't even know what this is called. That's going to open soon. Ski doc is spraying signs out here. We don't do that.
Not in front of ski patrol.
Not at all. I'm not trying to get in trouble. All right, Michael, first impressions on the Step-ons. How you feeling? How's the run two?
It holds your feet in, and like the response from edge to edge is just like way more precise than I imagined. I thought the opposite would happen, but it's just quick edge to edge. That's a lot of control.
I also have thought the same thing. Now, I did ride the Burton Step-ons last year. If you missed that video, you can check it out here. Mainly today, we're gonna be talking to the ski doc about his opinions on it, because why not get more opinions? And I know a lot of you guys want to get these strapless step-in bindings, so let's cover it today. Alright guys, so one of the main things people with Step-ons like to do is talk trash, saying that they can strap in faster than people that don't have Step-ins, you know what I'm saying? So we're going to test that theory. I'm going to race the ski doc, which should be able to strap in super fast, and me. And Cody's going to count it down, and we'll see. Riders ready. 3, 2, 1, go.
See you guys.
No! I gotta get redemption. Guys, remember,
Know it.
space, not speed.
Know it. Live it.
So I think the only way to really know if Michael is enjoying the Burton Step-ons is to get a bird's eye view.
Buckhouse, please.
What up, dude?
For too long. What's up,
Hey,
bro?
yeah, what's your name?
I'm Austin.
Austin, nice to meet you, dude. So the bird eye view is honestly like one of the sickest shots we can get. But you know what else we need to get a bird's eye view of? Today's sticker shout out. We got Jensen Brown 1 with the large sticker on the back of the truck, dude. Looking insane. As well as we got Rob Rogers with the ski evolution sticker on the board. If you're a skier, just know we do have the ski, whatever. We're talking about the step-ons. Do you know skiers have been rocking step-ons for the longest time? Anyways, if you guys want an evolution stick or any of the merch, the hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves, they're all linked in the description. If you do snag any of the merch, tag me on my Instagram so I can give you guys gear and sticker shoutouts in the videos like this. But also follow the Instagram for just bonus extra content. You definitely want to check out the Instagram. We're making bonus extra content there and on TikTok. I didn't say that loud, but TikTok. Go follow the TikTok, guys. All right, who's having fun? We got a crew. I think we do one more bird's eye view, but we get all of us mobbing together.
Okay right
Yeah,
now.
I'm okay. You good?
As long as we're good. Everyone's good? No hard feelings? We're good? Oh! Oh! No! No! I was just telling my friends that I can't. It's on YouTube today. That's gonna be so good.
They hit each
Oh
other.
my god!
Not only did you meet me,
Bro, I literally just started watching your channel like 3-4 days ago.
Let's go.
I've been watching so many videos. That's crazy. I watched like an in-home tour and everything, bro.
Well, you made the video.
Oh shit! Oh my gosh, that is so crazy.
What's your name?
Lonnie.
Nice to meet you, man.
Yeah, you, Jonathan. Of course, I know your name. What's your guys' names?
I'm Michael.
Michael. That's dope. The squad.
Yeah.
See, I'm gonna have to cop the merch now.
Yeah,
I'm gonna have to cop the merch.
Yeah.
That is so dope. I'm so sorry about that.
Dude, it's hey, accidents happen. No one got hurt.
Yeah, I'm new out here, but you know I'm out here trying
you're
my best. Yeah, that's crazy. That is crazy. Well, it was good meeting you, man.
Good to meet you.
All right, running into you.
Good running into you.
That is crazy.
I haven't ran into or been hit in years. That was crazy. Now, earlier holiday season, obviously there's a ton of people one run. The chances of getting collided into go through the roof. And I did make a safety video, you can check it out right here, about how not to get hit, things you can do to make sure accidents don't happen. But even then, with all the precautions and everything, accidents can still happen. Thankfully, no one got hurt in that collision. And I'm just stoked that he watched the channel, was stoked to be featured. So nice meeting you, buddy. It's not a Burton Step on video unless Michael tries to jump in with both feet and click in at one time.
Hopefully I don't hit anyone. You'd have to like catch it right.
Nope.
Maybe like, no, I'm not good yet.
Oh, you see that?
All right, Ski Doc, so from what I can see with you on the step-ons and what I experience with step-ons is there's a learning curve. It's definitely something you got to get used to.
Yeah, so I'm like first day on it, I'm getting in like and out at the top and at the bottom of the mountain. I'm having trouble kind of getting out because I don't know how to twist the foot right. And someone like told me to do that.
Getting out was the hardest for me too. I struggled the whole time.
Yeah, so getting out and then getting in, like I haven't really found that like that perfect angle to just pop in. Like I can't jump into them yet. We're gonna work on that.
Yeah. But if you want to see his progress with the step-ons, because he rides with us all the time, you should subscribe to the channel, because we'll just ask him how he's doing throughout the year, because you guys love the Burton Step-ons.
Yeah.
And so we'll keep you updated on Michael's progress with them. I don't know if I'll ever get the step-ons, mainly because I got baby feet, but yeah. You guys having a fun day?
I heard they make baby sizes.
Did you guys all cry when that guy hit me? Were you worried for my life?
I didn't see. Finally.
All right. Okay, so we're also going to try another camera today. We're going to try the Insta360 Go 2. It's a tiny camera, the size of my thumb. So it's going to be a big difference from that ginormous pole and everything to literally just holding this tiny guy. But let's see how good the shots are in this one. When that guy hit me, he knocked my stance into like positive 20. So we got to fix this real quick. So we don't have a huge information dump at the end of this video because so much has happened, especially getting collided with. Not the idea. But all the cameras I'm using, step-ons, any gear is in my description. Check out the description of my videos. They're all affiliate links, just so you know. They do support the channel. But if you're looking to get step-ons, I'll have them linked in the description. Any of the cameras we're using, any of my gear, it's all linked below. These, they're not out yet, but be ready. And these.
Call it a day, maybe? Getting tired or something?
Sprayed it. No, I saw that. And then that took my mind, like my whole process. Because I was like doing a trick and I was like, I shouldn't be doing this. And then,
You might as well just slam.
why don't you just slam? Yeah, the boys are ripping. That dude almost murdered me. Did you guys see that guy almost murder me? That dude almost hit me going 70.
Yeah, he took.
All right, guys, it's getting dangerous. We're gonna roll to the bottom. We got this chipmunk. Oh man, that's rough. All right, so before we take off, let's get Michael's opinion on the bindings. He did point out this one thing with his Burton snowboard and the bindings.
Yeah, so they got the EST channel. If you look right here, when I go to toe side, see that lift?
Yeah, there's definitely a lift.
Yeah, but it's still lifting the board and reacting just fine, but there is a little bit of a lift there.
But overall, would you say you're happy, not happy with the purchase?
I'm happy with it, and I think for someone that's at advanced level, like it wants to be more aggressive with their carving and stuff, it's definitely the way to go because the response is there.
Totally.
Yeah.
And I said for someone that's kind of older and you like bending over and doing stuff is not the easiest, you bend over way less with these bindings. So think about that too. But with that, Team Buckhouse, what a gnarly day. I have no idea how this vlog turned out. There's so many cameras, so many collisions, things going on, but I hope you liked it. Smash like if you did, and as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow with another video.